Welcome back to GymTube, everybody. We are down at the Malle Mile Beach Race of 2026. So this is absolutely awesome. It's probably one of the best events I've ever been to. There's just a buzz here, man. It's crazy. Like, they're just bikes, fun, different types of bikes, anything you can think of, and everyone's here just to have fun. It's not about winning races. It's about just participating and having fun. I bought the TDR 250 down, and that's what we're going to be racing today in the next races, which I'll go through now. Right, the races are as follows, and that is the sprint race, which is an 1/8 of a mile race. So it's from point to point, flag to flag, against 7 people, and throughout the day there's a knockout stage. Throughout the event you'll get knocked down to the last winners, and they'll go on to the derby race at the end of the event. Then you've got the double race. That's a 1/4 mile race from flag up to the next flag and back again. Same situations apply down into the derby at the end of day 2 tomorrow on Sunday. So absolutely awesome. So as I said, I'm doing it on the TDR 250 today, which I'm hoping is going to be good. It's got buried in this soft sand, but over on the beach there is much harder sand, which is fine. We've got the off-road tyres, the Bridgestone AX41s on it, front and back. It should be good. I'm racing in the Malle Cross, which is motorcycles under 250cc, but you've got other categories like the lightweights, you've got the antiques, you've got the scramblers, there's loads to choose from. But to be honest with you, it's just awesome being here. Like, just at the event, I wouldn't even mind if I wasn't riding. This is probably one of the best bike events I've been to because there is so much going on. There's people coming here on scooters trying to get through the sand, people coming on proper dedicated bikes with these big knobbly tyres on. It's just absolutely awesome, and there's just noise everywhere, 2 strokes, the smell, the character is just absolutely fantastic. I couldn't recommend it any higher. So much cool stuff here like this. This is a Phaser 600, just absolutely chopped up. It's got the off-road tyres on it. It's got the Malle sticker there. Oh man, it'll go in my kit. It's just awesome. So many custom bikes here. Right, so we're going to show you how this all works in a minute. I'm going to get on the bike and we're going to go down. We've just been called for my category, which is the Malle Cross. We'll ride down the beach, venture through this deep sand, get down there, and then we're going to get on the bike and we're going to do that 1/8 of a mile sprint race. I'm going to have the helmet on so you're going to see what that's like.
This is the sprint race. Now you'll all leave at the same time. There'll be 7 of you lined up on the grid. There's about 50 or 60 bikes behind you. 7 of you go at a time and you get 3 heats. So you get 3 practice runs. It's very daunting because you just turn up. You haven't ridden the bike on the sand yet and you just have to go away and just go flat out down the beach and try and beat everyone else. It's a really good warm up and you get 3 goes at it. Then it goes to knockout stage where you'll go up against an individual opponent, and the winner will go back around to race another individual opponent until there's only 2 people left. The winner of that will go on to the derby race, which is on the Sunday.
It's a heat race. Hands on the head start. Wait for the flag. Go. Oh, mate. Oh. Whoa, that was fast. That was so fast. I don't even know what speed we got up to then. This steep sand is so hard to ride in. My bike just spins. Oh god. Oh.
I did the 3 heat races, got a bit of practice under my belt, and now it was my time to enter the knockout section. So this is where I went up against an opponent, and you basically have to beat them to the flags at the end of the Margate Beach. A lot of fun, and in this particular race, the guy nearly crashes into me at the end.
We're off. As soon as the flag goes down, we gotta go. Here we go. Oh! Whoa, she's off! Oh my goodness! Whoa!
I won a load more head-to-head races, and that was just absolutely awesome because if you get knocked out early, you don't get as much riding, but I managed to hold it together and get down to the last 8 people in my group.
Right, we're getting close to the finals now. There's not many bikes behind me. This is my competition over here. TT Yamaha. Woo! Right, let's line up. Got to rock the bike back and forward a little bit. Squash that down. Oh, disastrous! Disastrous news! Oh no! Oh, what a shame! I was beaten! Oh, what good fun though. Such good fun.
I was actually a little bit sad. I was really looking forward to getting to the last two in the showdown there, you know, with the knockout section and making it through to the derby on the Sunday, but it wasn't meant to be. A bad start sort of let it down a little bit and I was all over the place, couldn't keep it together, so we need a little bit more sand practice. But it was absolutely awesome and I'm still smiling now just talking about it. All was not lost though, because we still had the Malle go round to do, another event there, which is a Le Mans style start where you run over to the bike, you jump on it and it's great fun. I spun a few laps on the TDR and then my friend Ben here jumped on the Yamaha DT400 which he brought with him. He's been featured in the videos before. He was riding the Ducati Desert X at Ashdown Motocross track. He's a great rider and it was just so fun to watch him spin some laps on it and just have such a laugh. You can see it in his face. I was smiling, everyone was having fun. It was a great finish off to the day.
Here he comes. We've got the Yamaha in the second. I'm not sure what bike that is. Looks good though. Oh, he's got a better line there. This is great. I'm sure you're all going to go. He's having a good time on that bike. This is what the Malle, this is what the Malle's all about. Getting through some lap riders now. It's about having fun. Right, that's it for the Malle Beach Race 2026. We got through quite close to the end there, but just got a little slide on there, clicked into third, and it was just all over the place. Such a shame. But hey, it's all fun, man. I haven't stopped smiling like all day. My face is actually sore, even in my helmet when I'm just sat there. I'm just sat there smiling because it's so fun. All these people just doing all this stuff with these bikes. If you haven't been here and you ride bikes, you've got to come down. It doesn't matter what bike you've got. Best probably to put some knobbly tyres on, but you'll absolutely love it. It's the best day out. I've never been to a better day than this. So yeah, thanks very much for watching everyone, and hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Of course, thanks very much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.